Take command of the road in the 2014 Ford Edge. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include power front seats, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.